Here's something most people won't tell you about protein shakers. That $20 bottle gathering dust in your cabinet could be costing you more than money. I'm talking about wasted protein powder stuck to the walls, leaked supplements ruining your gym bag, and shakes that taste like yesterday's workout. After analyzing expert reviews from garage gym reviews and independent fitness laboratories, I've uncovered which shakers actually perform and which are just marketing hype. Today, I'm breaking down the 6 best protein shaker bottles for 2026, ranked by real-world performance and value. Product links are waiting in the description below. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which bottle matches your needs and your budget. Stick around because number 1 might surprise you. Number 6, VOLTRX Electric Protein Shaker Bottle. Let me start with something different, an electric shaker that actually works. The VOLTRX uses a 6,000 RPM motor with patented blade technology, and according to independent testing, it completely dissolves protein powder in just 15 seconds. No shaking required. The 24-ounce capacity handles up to 3 scoops of powder with 16 ounces of liquid. The USB-C rechargeable battery lasts approximately 120 uses on a single charge. That's roughly 2 months of daily protein shakes. The IPX5 waterproof rating means you can rinse it directly under the tap while it's powered on. Expert testers from garage gym reviews noted the silent motor technology works remarkably well. Unlike traditional wire ball shakers that clang and rattle, this operates quietly enough for office use. The Triton material from the USA is BPA-free and more transparent than standard plastic bottles. Here's what you need to know. Some users reported the plastic blade struggles with very thick powders or milk-based shakes. One verified purchaser mentioned that after several weeks, the motor occasionally required manual shaking to start. The base must be hand-washed separately, adding an extra cleaning step. Available around $20 to $25, making it an affordable entry into electric shakers. You're getting technology that eliminates manual shaking, but don't expect blender-level performance. Perfect for someone with arthritis or joint pain who struggles with vigorous shaking. Also, great if you prepare shakes at work and want zero noise. However, if you primarily use thick protein powders or prefer all dishwasher-safe bottles, keep watching. Number 5, BlenderBottle Classic V2. The industry standard just got better. BlenderBottle invented the modern shaker category back in 2004, and their Classic V2 remains a bestseller for good reason. The patented 316 surgical-grade stainless steel blender ball wire whisk creates the foundation for proper mixing. The updated V2 includes a rounded bottom for thorough blending and a spout guard that keeps the drinking surface clean. The wide mouth accommodates oversized scoops easily. According to Garage Gym Reviews certified personal trainers, this bottle earned a 4 out of 5 for blendability. Tester Lauren Strong noted that with proper shaking technique, the blender ball dissolves protein powder effectively without batteries or electronics. Available in multiple sizes from 20 to 28 ounces. After years of testing hundreds of bottles, experts consistently point out one weakness: the lid. Multiple reviewers mentioned that after 12 to 18 months of daily use, the threaded lid can develop leaks. The plastic is BPA-free but will absorb odors over time, particularly from chocolate or vanilla protein powders. Typically $8 to $12 depending on size and color. This represents exceptional value for a reliable workhorse bottle, ideal for budget-conscious buyers who want proven performance. If you're just starting your fitness journey or need multiple bottles for different supplements, this delivers solid results. The low price point means you can buy several without financial stress. However, if you need temperature control for hours, continue to number 4. Number 4, BlenderBottle Radiant Insulated Stainless Steel. Same trusted brand, upgraded materials. The Radiant takes everything that works about the Classic and wraps it in double-wall vacuum insulation. The 26-ounce stainless steel construction keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours. The twist-on cap closes with just a quarter turn, creating what BlenderBottle calls their most secure seal to date. The center-mounted spout design looks modern and professional. The tapered base fits standard car cup holders and gym equipment holders. Best Buy customer reviews averaging 4.5 out of 5 stars consistently praise the temperature retention. One verified purchaser reported making a protein shake at 6 a.m. and drinking half at 9 a.m. and the remainder at noon with ice still intact. The stainless steel resists odors and stains that plague plastic bottles. Weight matters here. Multiple reviewers mentioned the Radiant feels hefty compared to plastic alternatives. Some users experienced leaking if the lid wasn't aligned precisely when screwing on. The measurement markings only go to 18 ounces despite the 26-ounce total capacity. The cap contains several nooks and crannies that require thorough cleaning to prevent mold buildup, generally priced between $25 to $30. You're paying a premium for insulation and durability, best for active individuals who prepare shakes hours before consumption. If you mix your morning protein at home but drink it after your afternoon workout, this maintains perfect temperature. The stainless steel also appeals to environmentally conscious buyers, reducing plastic use. However, if you prioritize lightweight portability and unique mixing technology, number 3 deserves your attention. Number 3, Helimix 2.0 Vortex Blender Shaker Bottle. Here's where design gets interesting. The Helimix uses physics instead of parts to create a natural vortex mixing action. The patented interior wall design features a unique hexagonal shape that creates a tornado effect when shaken. No wire ball, no electric motor, no extra pieces to clean or lose. The copolyester plastic is shatterproof and odor resistant. The wide mouth opening makes adding ingredients and cleaning surprisingly simple. According to testing by Straight.com reviewers, the Helimix excels at creating smooth, clump-free shakes without requiring any accessories. The vortex action pulls powder from corners and edges that traditional shakers miss. Users particularly appreciated not hunting for lost wire balls in the dishwasher. Chris loves. Julia's extensive testing of 40 different shaker bottles revealed something important. In their 30-second standardized test, the Helimix left more granular bits with whey protein and larger clumps with plant-based protein compared to top competitors. It requires more vigorous shaking than bottles with agitators. Some users reported it doesn't fit all cup holders due to slightly wider dimensions, usually around $15–18. Mid-range pricing for innovative technology. Perfect for minimalists who hate cleaning multiple components. If you frequently lose wire balls or dislike electric bottles requiring charging, this simplifies everything. The design also appeals to people who prefer understanding how their products work through engineering rather than electronics. That said, if you need bulletproof temperature control and premium features, let me introduce you to number 2. Number 2, BrüMate MultiShaker. BrüMate transformed the drinkware industry, and their MultiShaker applies that innovation to protein bottles. The 26-ounce stainless steel construction includes BevGuard insulation technology. The built-in agitator doubles as a fruit infuser, eliminating the need for separate wire balls. The MagFlip lid uses magnetic technology to spring open and stay open while drinking. The rounded interior and Octalock agitator attachment ensure thorough mixing without powder sticking in corners. Yahoo Health's expert testing panel, including registered dietitians and certified personal trainers, praised the MultiShaker's mixing effectiveness and temperature retention. Dick's Sporting Goods customer reviews average 4.7 out of 5 stars. Users consistently reported drinks staying ice cold for over 24 hours. The handle design received particular praise for comfortable carrying. Multiple expert reviews from Garage Gym Reviews identified a critical weakness, the MagFlip lid durability. Several long-term users reported the magnetic mechanism failing after 6 to 8 months of daily use. The lid cannot be used with hot beverages or carbonated drinks due to pressure buildup. Some reviewers noted the bottle feels slightly girthy compared to competitors. The lid components include several nooks, requiring careful cleaning to prevent mold. Typically $30–35, positioning it in the premium category. Excellent choice for serious athletes who need all-day temperature control and professional appearance. If you're mixing greens, electrolytes, and protein throughout the day, the infuser functionality adds genuine value. The build quality justifies the investment for daily users. However, before you decide, you absolutely need to hear about number 1. Number 1, Ice Shaker, stainless steel shaker bottle. Former NFL player Chris Gronkowski appeared on Shark Tank with this bottle, and the Sharks weren't wrong to invest. The Ice Shaker has earned its reputation through real-world performance. The 26-ounce kitchen-grade stainless steel construction keeps beverages ice cold for 30+ hours according to manufacturer specifications. The tapered design fits perfectly in car cup holders, gym equipment holders, and backpack side pockets. The built-in carry handle uses durable materials that withstand years of daily use. The screw-top lid creates an airtight, leak-proof seal. According to Garage Gym Life Media's detailed testing, the Ice Shaker excels in 3 critical areas: mixing quality, portability, and noise reduction. The bottle uses a spring-style agitator built into the lid that dampens sound while creating effective mixing action. Measurement markings are clearly labeled on the interior, visible even with dark-colored liquids. Expert reviewers consistently rated this the quietest insulated shaker bottle on the market. One long-term user reported daily use for over 18 months without any component failures. The stainless steel never absorbed odors even after hundreds of chocolate protein shakes. Unlike competitors, the carry handle proved genuinely durable rather than feeling like an afterthought. Let me be straight with you. This bottle is designed for serious users, not casual shake drinkers. Some reviewers noted the bottle feels slightly heavy when full due to quality materials. The Ice Shaker prioritizes durability and performance over being the lightest option available. While most components are dishwasher safe, hand washing the lid ensures longest lifespan. The price point positions it as an investment rather than an impulse purchase. Generally $30, $35, matching premium competitors, but delivering superior long-term value. This is the ultimate choice for someone committed to daily protein supplementation who values reliability above everything else. If you've gone through 3 cheap shakers in a year, spending slightly more upfront saves money long-term. The ice shaker particularly suits active individuals who need drinks staying cold during extended outdoor activities or all-day events. If you're the type of person who researches products thoroughly and buys once rather than replacing frequently, this deserves serious consideration. Now, I have a question for you. What's the most frustrating thing about your current protein shaker? Is it leaking, clumping, odors, or something else? Drop your answer in the comments below. Your experience could help someone else make the right choice. There you have it. 6 protein shaker bottles that actually deliver on their promises. Remember, the best bottle depends entirely on your specific needs. Need electric convenience? The VOLTRX at number 6 works great. Want proven reliability on a budget? The BlenderBottle Classic V2 at number 5 won't disappoint. Prefer cutting-edge design? The Helimix at number 3 innovates smartly, looking for premium features. The BrüMate MultiShaker at number 2 impresses. But if you want the most reliable, quietest, longest-lasting option, the ice shaker at number 1 remains my top recommendation for serious fitness enthusiasts. All product links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we compare the best protein powders for these bottles.